Anmol Raina. I'm studying cosmology. I'm a PhD student studying cosmology at Harvard. And basically cosmology is the study of the universe at the largest scales possible. It's about studying how the galaxies evolve in our universe, how the structure that we see in our universe today is evolving, and how is it going to evolve in future. So it's the study of like the whole universe, starting from like the very beginning to predicting how it's going to end in the future, and studying the contents of the universe and studying how do these contents relate to the structure that we see today. So yeah, my research in particular in this whole like cosmology area is about studying the very early light from the universe. So when the Big Bang just happened, then there was this relic radiation, which I sort of analyzed using some computational tools and some physics. And I've been doing this since I was pretty much straight out of high school, and then I did my undergrad at University of Illinois, and now I'm pursuing that part of my education at Harvard now, and trying to answer these questions which are at the very cutting edge of the research today. Yeah, so what got me really into physics was just the sheer joy that I got out of learning new things, and like the curiosity that I had. So I guess like one of the messages that I want to sort of give to people and like to all my Kashmiri brothers and sisters would be that follow that drive, find that thing that drives you, and be curious about like the world in general, because like the world is such an amazing place. Like there's so many beautiful details in our world which are worth sort of stopping for a moment and thinking about, that you can find like something that drives you out of just like finding out things which are around you. So, and once you find that thing, then sort of become passionate to sort of follow that, and whatever will come will just be like as if you won't have to work to sort of get things out of it. So that would be my message to like all of my Kashmiri brothers and sisters. Yeah. Thank you.
Chum Vony Tarun